We are very confident that it will guide you in your trading journey without any biases and also help in the automation of your strategy. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use Algo Strategy Window to automate your strategies with ease. As discussed in the earlier video, based on the trend indicator, suitable strategies will be highlighted. And based on your risk-reward objective, you will choose any strategy and deploy it. Here we can see that it shows a bearish trend, and based on it, 4 strategies are displayed. So for example, if we choose bear call spread, for Nifty default, all the details will be shown. Now you choose whether you want to enter an intraday or a positional strategy. Next, the auto-populated premium is shown. If you wish, you can change the amount. Apart from it, you can also define start and end time, and can also add technical indicators for confirmation. Then below, automatically the legs to be entered are shown along with the margin required. You can also have a look at the payoff chart of the strategy. Further, if you want to make any adjustments in your strategy, leg-wise adjustments can be made based on target and stop loss, based on future points movement, and for re-entry. Lastly, you can define target and exit conditions for your strategy. For instance, if you look at the payoff chart based on the investment amount, you can define 10% of it as profit and 5% of it as stop loss. Another way you can define them is by taking 50% of the max profit and max loss as profit and stop loss. Finally, click on Submit to start automatically trading in your strategy. In this way, you can choose any common strategy based on the trend indicator, make modifications, or build your own strategy. Stay tuned to know about each strategy in detail and how to automate them.